Make a great choice today with 2021 E-Pace. The Jaguar E-Pace sport utility vehicle offers an athletic-looking exterior and technology that will impress. The E-Pace is a perfect blend of vast luxury in a compact SUV body. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.